Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download or install Google Play Store in PC and how you can run Android games in laptop. So let's go to browser first. Now just right here, Nox Player. So ignore this. Okay, now you can see here Nox Player on the first link. Just click on this. Okay, now just click on this download button. Now click on start downloading. Before that, I'm setting things where should go. Now just start download. Wait till it's finished. After download, just open it. Or location to the folder. Okay, now just click on yes. Now click on install. Accept. Let it install in your device. Please hold on. Hold on, it's almost complete. 93%. It's 99 now. Just click on start. $98. Sorry guys. It is now open in your PC. It's slow actually. Please don't mind. Now what you're going to do is, here's your Play Store. Okay, you can just search anything. Done. Okay, you have to log in your Google Play account. So click on login. It's now a whole Android, you can see. Give your email here. Now click on next. Next, after putting password, it is asking for two-step verification. You can click on this get a verification code at your phone number. Now check your mobile phone. Okay, you find the code, check your phone. I've got it. 727131. Click on next. Getting account information. Hold on. Click on accept. I know it's getting boring, but it will help you, I think. Now just your is ready, I guess. Here's your Android total. Updating support libraries. I click this. Okay, now you can see here a search bar of Google Play Store. You can search any game like COC, or any game available here. Just click on this. It's a bit slow than phone because my PC getting old. Hold on. Now you can write here again. Click at this. You can see that any game you can download and play from here online. Just click on install or search for here and just download it in your PC. Okay, so guys, this is how you can download or install games from Google Play Store and play it in your PC. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.